Here is how to add and delete your Instagram reels from your profile grid. For that, let's open Instagram and click on this little profile icon. Here you can find in the top, you can find this plus icon. If you tap on that, here you can have reel, post, story, story highlight, live, and even add. So if you want to share a reel or you can add a reel, so click on this reel. You can add reel through the camera or otherwise you can go for the camera roll. And if you need to add the reel through camera, click on this round circle and the reel will be recorded. And if you want to add from camera roll, click on this gallery icon and here select any one of your recorded videos or any of the reels that you need to share you on your profile. So click on next. Here you can edit cover, you can add caption, you can add hashtags, you can tag people, you can add location, even you can change your audience. And here you can see, and if you I'm tapping a caption like cutie, and now I need to share this and I'm next, and now you can see that is sharing over the reels. See, it is uploading here. So once it is finished uploading, it will appear on my profile grid. So it is finishing up right now. Let's wait for that. See, now it has been appeared on my profile. So if I don't want that reel to be appeared on my profile grid, so I can go to that reel and here I can find top three dots. If I tap on that, I can have option in the bottom, remove from main grid. I can remove from main grid. So let us see how it could be. So if I tap on remove from main grid, it is removed from this grid or otherwise it just be removed from here and it will be appeared on the reels. So if I don't want that reel to be appeared even on the reels, so I tap on that. If I tap on again these three dots, here I can see delete. I can click on delete. And then this is how you can add and delete reels from your profile grid on Instagram. Thank you.